So we also begin with how to maneuver with the withholding tax returns, withholding tax calculation. So at the withholding tax section, you are able to do both normal withholding tax calculation and then also do gross up as well. And one important thing that we need to understand regarding withholding tax is that Ghana withholding tax is quite complex. So there are situations that we have double tax arrangement with other countries, and then we have non-resident, and then also we have resident with different withholding tax rates. This system takes care of everything. You just need to do the selection and it does all the calculation for you. So let's start it. And as I said earlier, always you begin with business information. We always begin with business information. Go to business information and select the month that you want to prepare the return, the month that you want to do the calculation for. So if we are doing for June, we have the company name, we have the tax office, and we also have the currency that we are preparing the return in. So update. So we click it and we update it. That's fine. We go back. We do in tax services, and we first have to upload our purchases. Normally we upload our purchases so that we will be able to calculate the withholding tax on the purchases. Again, when you start, go delete all previous data. This is to delete the previous date withholding tax that you have uploaded regarding purchases. This normal purchase, not gross up. So that you'll be able to download, you'll be able to upload the new month, the current month's own. So let me start. You can, the same way as the VAT, you can do both the individual and can also do bulk upload. So let's try with individual. So this is, we have a company that we have selected, and the location. So this is very important, the residency or the DTA type. So you need to select whether you purchase it from a resident company or a non-resident company, or if it's not a resident company, whether you purchase from a country that has a double tax arrangement with Ghana. So the three types: resident, non-resident, and a DTA country. So let me say, first time we are doing from resident company, and it's a battery. Battery is normally good. So as soon as I've done my selection, it gives me where to select. So let me say that what we purchased was 10,000. So we come to withholding tax, and then we say that it is goods. Once we select it goods, we have the system that select the right rate, the appropriate rate to be used for the calculation for us. So it does it and does the calculation perfectly. So 3%, and it is 300 Ghana cedis. So this is what we have. So this goes to populate the withholding tax return. So it's one, and you have to click save. Please, if you don't click save, it does not save. So click save, and it has saved. So in the same manner, we do another one, then we will go to, so okay, this shows that it has saved perfectly. We try another one, which is we pay to consultancy fees, and this is a service, and then it's consultancy, location is Accra, and we say that it's still a resident entity. So the amount is 400,000, and we say that was it withholding tax type. So the gross amount we say that is 400. We say that is 400,000. Okay, that's fine. And withholding tax, we say it is service. So once we say it is service, it selects the appropriate rate for service, and it does the correct calculation of withholding tax. Having done that, we can still say save, and then we will save it. We can do a third one, which is an individual. Still individual, a third one. Okay, we go from Sapon. This is a 10, and with service. So location, say United Kingdom. Once you have selected United Kingdom, it means that United Kingdom has a double tax arrangement with Ghana. So over here, you need to select double tax DTA country with Ghana. If you go, it is United Kingdom, and you still select non-resident, it will pick non-resident rate. It will not pick a DTA rate. So, and also you can still be in United Kingdom, and the double tax arrangement does not provide a rate for it. In this case, it's going to pick the non-resident rate. So let's say this is a DTA country and we are selecting, you're putting the amount 400,000 again. Okay. And we select, if it's United Kingdom, we need to come in and select United Kingdom. We have all the withholding tax countries with their rate over here, so there's no need to worry. So United Kingdom, okay, and it is for what? Let's say it is royalties. If it is royalties, it goes into the system and pick the withholding tax rate for royalties with regards to Ghana double tax agreement with the United Kingdom, and that's the calculation for you. So I'll save it quickly. Okay, so this is how we do the individual. Then I can go back and let's say we want to do bulk. We click the bulk and we go to Excel, and we have it over here. Okay. So we have it. So we are coming to populate it. So let's see if we can have one that has already been populated. Then we will just pick the information. Okay, let's see whether we have one here. We just pick the information. Okay, we have one here. So we will have one here. Then we just pick the information, just not to delay. All right. So let's select one over here. Okay, so we have done the selection. So here is very important. So the amount that we are entering is 50,000, 70,000. Okay, so let's see if we can. Okay, replicate down here. This very most important bit of it, withholding tax type. So we are going to select whether it is for the double tax country or not. So this is what we are going to select, or whether it is resident or non-resident. We are going to select all of them over here. So we come here. So we say that first one, we say that it is resident and it is service. Second one, we say that it is resident, it is goods. Third one, we say that it is resident and it is dividend. It takes the appropriate rate. We come here again, we say that it is resident and it is interest. We come again, it is resident and it's an endorsement fee. And we come again, we say this one is non-resident. Non-resident is management fee. And we come again, it's non-resident, and we say it is goods. And we come again, we say it's non-resident, and it is service. And the third one, non-resident, it is endorsement fee. So the same thing that we have over there, resident and resident. So what we are coming again, we said it is DTA. So a double tax agreement is a DTA country, and it is Germany. What are we saying? If it's Germany, we find out what was it? Was it dividend? Was it interest? Was it royalties? Was it technical and technical management fee? So we are saying that this one is technical and management fee. So let's go again. It is still DTA and it's Belgium. We are saying that it is royalties. Okay, let's go again. DTA and we say it's Denmark. We say it is interest. So it will go in and pick the appropriate rate. So let's go again. DTA and we say that it is South Africa, and we say that it is okay, South Africa, and we saying that it is royalties. Okay, let's go again, and we say that it's DTA, and this time around we say it is still South Africa, and it is dividend. But dividend, it is South Africa dividend, but dividend we have where we have when the company owns either more than 10% or less than 10%. So we see that it is South Africa, and this one, there is an ownership of less than 10%. Let me see if I have it here. Okay, let me just pick it up. South Africa, technical fee, South Africa. Okay, great. So South Africa and owes its dividend, and the company owes less than 10%. So this is what we mean when we say South Africa. Okay, let me give it over here. All right. So we say that this is also resident, and it is service. So US, and it is non-resident, and it is service. And let's say so US non-resident, and saying that it is good. It is good and used for federals imported and duties paid in Ghana. Okay, so let me see if I can find that one. We have it in here. Okay, let me say goose. Okay, all right. So Mauritius DTA, and we're saying that it is dividends. Mauritius. We have it here, dividend Mauritius. Okay, so this is what we have. When we are done, we just save it. And so we have it here. We have just save it and just give it a saving. Okay. Test 2. Okay. Then you close it. Having closed it, you go back to the system and do your upload. So choose file. And this is a file we did. I will click upload, except for verification, and it's done the verification for us. This is what we have uploaded. So we can check it before finally populating it. So when we are done, everything is fine. We say bulk withholding purchase invoice upload. We click it and we are done. We are practically done. So if I want to go to withholding tax, purchase invoice, I can generate report and see what I did. We can generate a report and see what we did. Wow, fantastic. This is what we have. It has given it to us. It has given to us the enterprise, the 10, the description, the location, the residency, the gross amount withholding tax type, that we have the rate that it has selected, the withholding amount. So this will go on to the withholding tax portal, the withholding tax return form. So this is how we populate our transactions for withholding tax. We will do the next one, which is a gross up, in our next video. Please, if you have any question, kindly come to us and we'll be able to respond to you. Thank you.